Yeah. Morning once again. This is a nice
metal services.
Nice metal services once again. I want you to look at some
We play with metal.
fabrications that are about to be done. Look at this. Mr. Nice, what is this called?
It's a sitting for exhaust. Exhaust sitting for excavator.
Okay.
1030.
Okay. This is an exhaust sitting for 330 excavator. Look at it. Look at it round. Look at it round. This one is foreign made. Foreign made, huh? This one is foreign made. Look at it, very heavy. It's not just. It's metal plate of. This is a 8 mm plate, right? Yeah, this is 8 mm plate. You can see. This is how it looks like. Exhaust sitting for excavator 325, 330, 320, just like that. Excavator. Now Mr. Nice is going to construct this, just what you are seeing now. This one is a follow common, but Mr. Nice is going to fabricate another one, just like this, for an excavator that lost its own. So Mr. Nice is going to fabricate exactly this, and this is the plate. This is 8 mm plate. As you can see, it's just a straight plate. So as he goes on, this is Mr. Nice. You can see he eats iron. Don't play. This is workshop. I told you, anytime you see this, it's a symbol of nice metal. So as we go on, I'm going to be updating you. You see it live and direct as we are doing it. Thank you. You can see the measurements. Mr. Nice is taking the measurements as he's covering it. Nice is working, taking the measurement to make sure that everything goes well. As you can see, what I showed you before, this is exhaust sitting that Mr. Nice is doing now. Now we will run out. Alright. As we progress, I will get back to you, okay? Happy with this. You see that we are doing great work here. Thank you. Right, I want to take you to the next phase, so that you see the magic. First of all, look at this. This is the original. Hey, then watch this man here. You know him. Look at the in the shape of camera. See, you know him. Alright, come and see. You see the magic? You see down they come up small. Look at it here. This is the original one. Then look at the one that Mr. Nice is doing. Can you see it? Look at, let me take the camera gradually, so that you don't say, hey, they cut them. See, this is the original one. This is the one that Nice is doing. At this stage, he has completed here of the exhaust fitting. Now, this is where it is. Here to here. He has gotten here out. From here, here is out. This is what is remaining. That's it here. This is it. This place is exactly where they are welding here now. Here. So they will affix here. Here is absent. He's going to fix here. This is it here. The top here. Then when you come this way, he has gotten here too. So from here, like this, down here is what is remaining, and he's going to put here. Then we'll open the place. You can see here, he has gotten the measurement of where it's going to open here. So as we proceed, you will see this is the man. This is his apprentice. He's not a good boy. working very well. And this is a nice. You can see how he's sitting, allowing his boy to work. He has gotten all the measurement. He's gotten all his measurement and allow his boy to do it very well. So that is what a good master does. So as we proceed, I will get back to you. I will show you more things that is happening in this honorable workshop. Do not think that everything is being imported. You can come and meet nice here. Things that you believe that if you don't import it, you cannot get it. You will get it done here. Thank you. The job is not easy. Not that you think. Even myself, I'm also a welder under Mr. Nice. As you can see, the atmosphere has changed. But the main reason why we are here, let me show it to you now. All right. You remember this? Can you see it? Okay, let's look at the original one. The boss himself is still working. This is the original one. And this is a nice make. It's coming. Here, it's now open. That's what you can see. Very soon you will not be able to differentiate which one is the original one and which one is a nice own. When you get to that point, I will be asking you, I beg, which one be the Sana stone that time? So maybe now help me talk. So this control is that this is caterpillar exhaust system. Now go, they go. Whoa! Wow! Check out! check out! No, let it not be like this one. Get one special thing. We have not bought these holes. Here, he's already doing it. You can see it. The mark is there already. It's not like it's not a joke. The hole has not been bought, so it doesn't look like you never look at it very well. This one, the dressing has not been done. Nothing has been done. Well, like I keep saying, as it progresses, I will continue to do what? Feed you back. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, once again we are here at Nice Metal. You can see the man. You can see the man. That's him. But do you know what I want to show you? You know what I want to show you? Come on, let's go. Behold! Ta-da! Remember this? I told you it's been completed. You can see, just like the original, the new one, the Oyibo own. You saw the plate that we used. You can see it. Is there any difference? No difference. Wow. Remember what this is? 330 CL, 325 VL. As far as this excavator exhaust fitting, that's what this is. Constructed by Nice Nana, aka Nice Metal.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt.